What's good, everybody? This is your boy Fabian. Just checking in with you guys, man. Want to go over a Walmart chart real quick. As you know, they had earnings. But before we go any further, man, like, subscribe, and share this thing out with anybody that wants to follow the journey, man. All right, man, here we go. So, Walmart actually had pretty good earnings report on the surface, man. Revenue beat expectations. Growth was strong. Same day sales were positive. But the big thing is Walmart reportedly had strong revenue growth, continued gaining market share, especially from high-end shoppers, man. The problem was guidance. We always know guidance, man. Walmart gave weaker than expected guidance, profit forecast for the next quarter. And as you know, the market doesn't like weak guidance. So margins got squeezed due to fuel cost. Management also warned that, low-end consumers are showing a little stress. So, once again, the market didn't like that. So they kind of sold off. They want better guidance for Walmart. But let's go into the charts, man. Like I said, that thing price fell hard after earnings. And right now, everybody just looking for a floor. So let's go to the charts. All right, man. So right now I got Walmart pulled up on the daily. Today is the 27th that I'm recording this. So this is pre-market calendar here for the 27th. So right after earnings, you had this big drop here. Now this yellow line here is my 20-day MA. This is my 50-day MA. This is my 100-day MA. And this is my 200. That is a nasty drop when you drop below all three of those moving averages. And as you all know, we like to look left so we can know how to go right. And I have my structure points drawn here. So this right here was a swing high, a previous all-time high. Price broke through that. And my next previous all-time high is here at 116.79. I see price heading there. We may get that bounce today. Now, will we go back up from there? It's possible, but I'm still believing that Walmart is going to come down here and test this 200. Keep in mind right now, the 200 is currently at 114.93. So we may get a bounce here off of 116.79, because that will be support there from our previous all-time high. Get a bounce there, and we may range up and down here. And now we got to come back up here and break this level here, which is now resistance, 120.33. Could get a rejection there. Meantime, while price is bouncing here, going back up here to resistance, this moving average is still slowly creeping up. So that's why I say we still could end up touching and testing 200 MA. So that's what I'm looking for, man. I'm looking for that 200 MA to get a little closer, possible rejection off the 200, and then price will make its decision from there. So yeah, we might get this bounce right here. As you can see, my pre-market candle here is trying to open up at 118.73. So could get a little pop and then come back down here once again and try to test this structure here, support 116.79. If we get a bounce there, once again, it could shoot back up. At this point, you just swing in Walmart, which is what I like to do. I like to swing Walmart. Walmart is good for a $5 to $10 swing with 3 to 6 months time frame on your expirations, if that's what you want to do. Looking back in our past history, man, Walmart has always respected the 200, and that's on the daily. You look back here, that was Trump tariffs right there when we touched the 200. After that, you really never touched the 200. You got close here in August of last year, bounced back up. As you can see, these boxes I got drawn here, these are consolidation points. So Walmart ended up consolidating pretty much in this range here, which was literally a $10 move, $5 to $10 move. So that was at about 96 to 100. So that was a $4 move. It kept ranging up and down $4. Keep in mind that's May, June, July, and the beginning of August. Then it finally broke out. So 3 months of $4 ranging. You probably could expect that in this coming era here. We'll see. The market is putting their money in some of these other movers right now. So, Walmart at this time was just a safe space, wasn't any growth going on. Like I said, these are $4 moves right here for 3 months. If you want to swing it up $4, swing it down $4, swing it up $4, swing it down $4, you could have did that and just, made look consistent money once you figured out the pattern. Here again, we finally got that breakout. Then we end up ranging again, and we got that breakout. So Walmart does respect the 200 based on past moves. So like I said, I don't see it going below 200, but definitely looking for it to get close and test it. So that's why I say my thesis is we will go ahead and test this 116.79, probably get a bounce there, come back up, make some moves up to 120. And I see 116 to 120, that's $4. Same thing we had going on back here. $4 move. Will we get stuck here? It's possible. $4 move. And then that will keep that 200 right here in this range, and it'll start respecting that 200 and hopefully not go below that until we get some better guidance for Walmart's future. But yeah, right now, man, that's my thesis on Walmart. So if you're trying to get into Walmart, or if you already got into Walmart, just know that price could come back down some. Right now, we need to get it back above 120. So I'm looking at, once again, we need to hold 116.79, get a bounce there. Let the 200 MA catch up to 116.79, and we can stay above that level. If we break the 116.79, then we're definitely coming to touch that 200 easily. There's nothing here stopping price from touching the 200 if we break 116.79. So if you're in that thing, man, as long as you got enough time on it to recover, it will recover. Once again, just depends on your overall look. Right now, I just see price ranging from 116 to 120 until we break that. Because now we got to get back above the 100. We got to get back above the 50. We got to get back above the 20. That's a lot of work right there. It was easy to fall. It's going to be a nice climb to get back up there. Can we do it? Eventually, yeah. Just depends on where you want to park your money, man. I'm a Walmart advocate. Walmart is the low price leader. All right, man. That's all I got for Walmart right now, man. Just wanted to give y'all that thesis for those that are playing Walmart. Just look forward to test 200, man. Whatever the 200 is going to be. Right now, the 200 is 114.93. So I do see the 200 creeping up. So it'll be 115 something. Creeping close to that 116. We could end up getting that bounce off the 200 at 116. If price starts ranging here, the 200 will creep up. But look at my 20 curving down, 50 curving down, 100 starting to curve down. So yeah, price is going to range here for a minute. Now, once again, if it ranges here, once you figure out the move, if you wanted to play some $4 swings, keep in mind, you got to spend a lot of money to make a lot of money. But yeah, you can make money with those $4 moves. You can make money with those $4 moves. Is it worth your time? If you got a small account you're trying to build up, perfect way to do it. But your entries got to be precision, spot on, so you can get in, get out. I wouldn't try to play the put and the call, the put and the call. I just play my calls, let it run up, look for that rejection, get out, let it fall back down to support, then get back in that way. You need some time for your mentals to reset. You know, there's too much going on when you're trying to play the call and the put, the call and the put, the call and the put. Yeah, you see where price is going. You see it. Yeah, it's going up. You know where it's going. You get out. Let me go ahead and get in a put, ride it down. Yeah, you could do that. That's a lot of work when you don't have that experience. So if you got that experience, hey, hats off to you. That's where the skills come in at. At the end of the day, we are here to make money out the market. All right, man. Hope y'all have a great day today, man. Go ahead and get that Walmart money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this thing out with anybody that loves to shop at Walmart. Salute.